In this video, we're going to talk about the best way to run ads, generate more leads, and more revenue in your business. What's up, online coaches? My name is Eric Anthony Klima, and I help online coaches start their business and scale. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through some of the things that help me get there. Let's dive into the importance of ads and how they can greatly impact your business. When done effectively, ads have the potential to generate a great return on your investment. Imagine just spending $1 and getting $4 back in revenue. So for example, spend $10,000, you make $40,000. That's the power of strategic advertising. However, it's really important to understand that the success of your ads heavily relies on copywriting, the creative, and your sales process. Crafting compelling copy is essential, starting with a headline that speaks directly to your ideal customer and grabs their attention. This captivating headline sets the tone for your ad and entices people to take action or to seek more information. To illustrate the impact of ads, let me show you an example of my own experience. When I started implementing effective paid ad strategies, things became more streamlined and automated. I was able to save time and focus on other important aspects of my business. This shift allowed me to put my business on autopilot and experience greater ease in managing daily operations. It's crucial to understand that even if you have the best product or service, it won't reach its full potential without promotion or reaching a wider audience. You need to attract attention and capture the interest of potential customers. The reality is the best product may only be the best known product if you have a solid marketing and advertising strategy in place. If you want to scale your business past the $10,000 to $20,000 per month mark without being overworked, you need some form of paid traffic. Let's explore the power of DM ads and how it can revolutionize your lead generation system. DM ads are incredibly simple yet highly effective in driving hundreds of people to message you every single day. The strategy involves using a lead magnet, enticing your audience to opt in and provide their information, and initiating a conversation in your DMs. This approach allows you to collect valuable data while seamlessly transitioning the DM conversation to a sales call. I've successfully generated leads for as little as $4 per message. By utilizing this strategy, instead of sending prospects to a lengthy VSL that requires extensive copywriting experience and setting up a complex funnel, DM ads provide a more direct and personal approach by bypassing traditional funnels and connecting directly through the DM messenger. You can establish a predictable and consistent lead generation system on steroids. Imagine the power of having a stream of qualified leads reaching out to you on the daily, eager to engage in meaningful conversations and explore your offerings. DM ads streamline the lead generation process, allowing you to build relationships, understand your prospects' needs, and seamlessly guide them to a sales call or conversion. Next is IG shoutouts and how they can provide fitness coaches a substantial return on investment. Shoutouts can oftentimes generate a bigger ROI than Instagram and Facebook ads, making them one of the best ways to scale your business in 2023. This process is simple yet highly effective. We strategically place you on highly influential pages where prominent influencers promote, tag, and redirect their followers to your page. The beauty of IG shoutouts is that it floods your Instagram with followers and interested prospects. It's like organic on steroids, and the cost is way lower than Instagram and Facebook ads. The next thing you can do is you can place an appointment setter to message these people and set up to 10 sales calls and more per day. We actually do this for our clients in our program. By leveraging shoutouts, you can build authority, you can gain thousands of followers each and every month, and attract interested prospects every single day. Just imagine huge Instagram pages with like 10 million followers every single day saying, go follow this guy. These shoutouts not only give you immediate traffic, but also contribute to long-term business growth. Great traffic sources can scale the shit out of your business. So recognize the importance of ads, shoutouts, and leveraging paid traffic to take your business to new heights. If you guys want to learn how me and my team can actually do all this for you or just level up your business, then click this link below and we'll see you on the other side.